Yes, good morning children. Today in this video we are going to discuss about the exercise 1 of chapter 2. What is chapter 2? In the previous video we discussed chapter 2 is fractions, decimals and rational numbers. So now we are discussing about only fractions. After completion of these fractions we can go for decimals and rational numbers. Okay. So fractions, we discussed the fractions are three types. Actually two types, but I told you that those are three types. Why? Because first type is proper fraction and second type is improper fraction. Improper fraction can be expressed in the form of a mixed fraction. So proper fraction means, already we discussed proper fraction. What is the meaning of proper fraction? Proper fraction, the numerator and the denominator, the relation between numerator and denominator will be different. Numerator is lesser than the denominator and all proper fractions are less than 1. Its value less than 1. That means 4 by 5, 6 by 7, like this. Already in the previous video we discussed. Now we are going to discuss about this exercise 1. Okay. Next, improper fraction. Improper fraction is nothing but numerator is more than the denominator. That's why the numerator is more than the denominator. That's why we can convert this improper fraction into a mixed fraction by dividing the numerator with the help of denominator. Okay. So proper fraction is always less than 1 and numerator is less than the denominator. Coming to improper fraction, it is greater than 1 and numerator is more than the denominator. An improper fraction can be converting into a mixed fraction. Okay. Mixed fraction is nothing but whole number part plus fractional part. Whole number we know, whole number part. Fractional part, always that fraction in a mixed fraction, the fractional part is always a proper fraction. It will not be a improper fraction. Okay. So here they have given the exercise 1 question. They have given, compute the following and express the result as a mixed fraction. Okay. So compute means calculate the given sum, and we have to, what we have to do, we have to convert it in the form of a mixed fraction. Okay. That we shall see how to do and what to do. Okay now. So 2 plus 3 by 4 they have given. 2 plus 3 by 4. So 2 plus 3 by 4 means it can be written, 2 can be written as 2 by 1 plus 3 by 4. So 2 by 1 means, here already we discussed in the previous video, the denominator should be equal because these two are unlike fractions. Unlike fractions should be converting into like fractions. So like fraction is, what is the meaning of like fraction? If the two fractions or three fractions or more than three fractions, all the denominators are equal, then we can call them as like fractions. So here the denominators are not equal, but we have to make them into equal. So here 4 is the denominator. 4 can be, here also the denominator should be written as 4. Because in one table we can get 4. 1 4 ja 4. So that means this fraction 2 by 1 can be multiplied with 4 and divided with 4. That means numerator and denominator are multiplied with 4. Then we can get 4 is the denominator. Okay. The first fraction 2 by 1 into 4 plus 3 by 4. Second fraction we did not change anything. For second fraction also 4 is the denominator. So 4 should be multiplied, 4 and 3 and 4. They should be multiplied with the first fraction denominator. With 1, if you multiply or not multiply, we can get same 3 by 4. So this is equal to 4 j 8 by 4 plus 3 by 4. 8 by 4 plus 3 by 4 means these are like fractions. We can write the common denominator. We can add the numerators. 8 plus 3. This is equal to 11 by 4. Okay. So 11 by 4, it is an improper fraction, but it should be converting in the form of a mixed fraction. 11 by 4, mixed fraction. Mixed fraction, what we will do? 11 should be divided with 4. 4 2 ja 8. 3 is the remainder. So here the divisor is 4, quotient is 2, remainder is 3, dividend is equal to 11. That's why this can be written. That means 11 by 4 can be written as 2 and 3 by 4. Quotient and remainder divided by divisor. 2 and 3 by 4. So 11 by 4 can be written as 2 and 3 by 4 is the mixed fractional form of the, this is equal to 2 plus 3 by 4. So from this you can identify and you can understand one thing. 2 plus 3 by 4 is equal to, we got 2 and 3 by 4. Suppose I have given you 4 plus this is equal to 6 by 7 I have given. So that also directly you can write 4 and 6 by 7. Plus is nothing but we are combining. Understand? So easily we can write like this. Okay, this is this type of example. We can confirm the result whether it is true or not. For that purpose we use like this. But we have to do the sum like this. 2 plus 3 by 4 means we have to solve it. Finally we got the answer 2 and 3 by 4 is the mixed fraction. Mixed fraction, after converting we got mixed fraction. Before that we got only improper fraction. Okay, this is the first sum. Please note down. Like this we have totally 6 sums are there. So these 6 sums we shall do in this exercise first Roman, and then we shall go for the second Roman. Okay. Please pause the video and note down the sum. Now I am taking 2 sums for the solution. 7 by 9 plus 1 by 3 is the second sum. 1 minus 4 by 7 is the third sum. Okay, first we should do this one. 7 by 9 plus 1 by 3. 7 by 9 plus 1 by 3 means these are also unlike fractions. So unlike fractions should be converting into like fractions. So 7 by 9 as it is we can leave like that. 1 by 3 is there. This 1 by 3, 3 should be multiplied with 3 and 1 should be multiplied with 3. Because 9 is the denominator here. 3 3s are 9. In 3 table we can get 9. That's why we can write 7 by 9 plus 1 3s are 3 by 9. So 7 by 9 plus 3 by 9. For them common denominator is 9. You can write the common denominator. You can add the numerators. 7 plus 3. This is equal to 10 by 9. Okay. This 10 by 9 again we have to convert it into in the form of a mixed fraction. For this also in the right margin we can do 10 by 9. 9 table, 9 1 ja 9 and 1 is the remainder. Okay. So this is equal to 10 by 9 is equal to, we can write 1 and 1 by 9. 1 and 1 by 9 is the mixed form of the given sum. Okay. Next go for this third sum. 1 minus 4 by 7. 1 minus 4 by 7. This also 1 minus 4 by 7. 1 means 1 by 1. We can take 1 by 1 minus 4 by 7. So 1 by 1 means here 7 is the denominator. With this denominator you have to multiply these two. That is equal to 1 into 7 by 1 into 7 minus 4 by 7. 1 into 7 means 7 by 7 minus 4 by 7. So you can find the common denominator for these two. This is equal to 7 is the common denominator. 7 minus 4. Here in the two fractions are in subtraction. Here the two fractions are in addition, we add it. Here we have to subtract. So 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. 3 by 7. 3 by 7 means this is 3 by 7. 3 by 7 is a proper fraction. So it cannot be written in the form of a mixed fraction. The answer itself is 3 by 7. Okay. Please pause the video and note down the sums. Yes, coming to the next sum, fourth sum. They have given 2 and 2 by 3 plus 1 by 2. Already one mixed fraction they have given and another proper fraction they have given. They asked us to combine these two and write in the form of a mixed fraction. So 2 and 2 by 3. For this solution we are going to take. Okay. 2 and 2 by 3. First we have to convert it in the form of a improper fraction. 2 3 is 6 plus 2 8 by 3. Already I told you how to do this one. Okay. So we are converting the improper fraction into mixed fraction. Like that mixed fraction also we can convert into improper fraction. 3 into 2 plus 2 by 3. This is equal to 3 2 is 6 plus 2 8 by 3. This is equal to 1 by 2. So 2 and 2 by 3 plus 1 by 2 is equal to, we can write 8 by 3 plus 1 by 2. If you observe, these two are not having common denominators. So denominator should be common. Okay, denominator should be common means in 3 table if you multiply with 2, 3 2 is 6. In 2 table if you multiply with 3, 3 2 is 6. So both should be converting into like fractions. Means 8 by 3 as it is. It should be multiplied with 2. It should be multiplied with 2. 1 by 2. 1 into 3. 2 into 3. This is equal to 8 2 is 16 by 3 2 is 6. 1 3 is 3 by 3 2 is 6. 16 by 6 plus 3 by 6. Okay. So here common denominator 6 is the common denominator. You can add the numerators. 16 plus 3. It is nothing but 19 by 6. But 19 by 6 means it is an improper fraction. It should be converting into in the form of a mixed fraction. So 19 should be divided with 6. 6 3 is 18. Means 1 is the remainder. So 19 by 6 can be written as 3 and 1 by 6. 3 and 1 by 6. Okay. Understand? Coming to next one. Here also they have given one is both are proper fractions they have given. For this also we have to convert these two denominators into like fractions. So how to convert? 8 and 6. Suppose this is multiplied with 8 and 5. This is multiplied with 1 and 6 is multiplied with 8. It is difficult because we will get bigger numbers. So for that what we will do is, we know how to find out the LCM of two numbers in the previous class. That means 5th class or 6th class. Okay. So for this 8 and 6, we are going to find the LCM of 8 and 6. 8 and 6 they divide in the two table. 2 4s are 2 3s are. So two numbers are not divided by any number, any table. So 3 4s are 12, 12 2s are 24. 24 should be the common denominator for this 5 by 8 minus 1 by 6. So take this 5 by 8 minus 1 by 6. Okay. For this 5 by 8, we have to multiply to get 24. We have to get the 24 as the LCM. LCM is nothing but here the denominator. So in 8 table, 8 3s are 24. So you have to multiply 5 also with 3. Like that. 1 by 6, 6 4s are 24. So 1 4s are 4. This is equal 5 3s are 15 by 24 minus 4 by 24. This is equal to common denominator is 24. 15 minus 4. This is equal to 11 by 24. 11 by 24 is the solution for the given two fractions, subtraction of two fractions. It cannot be converting in the form of a mixed fraction. Why? Because it is a proper fraction. All proper fractions are less than 1 and we cannot convert them into mixed fractions. Okay. So please note down, pause the video and note down the sums. And one more sum is there, that also we shall complete. Sixth one in this first Roman. This is the sum. Sixth sum is 2 and 2 by 3 plus 3 and 1 by 2. Okay. So both mixed fractions they have given. Mixed fractions means we have to convert them into in the form of improper fractions. First we shall take the solution individually. 2 and 2 by 3 is equal to 3 2 is 6 plus 2. 3 into 2 plus 2 by 3. This is equal to 3 2 is 6 plus 2, 8 by 3. The second one is 3 and 1 by 2 means 2 into 3 plus 1 by 2. This is equal to 3 is 6 plus 1, 7 by 2. Okay. 2 3 is 6 plus 1, 7 by 2. So these are the improper fractions we got. So we have to find 8 by 3 plus 7 by 2. Here the denominators are 2 and 3. 2 and 3 denominators, no common factors are there. That's why the total fraction is multiplied with 2 and this total fraction is multiplied with 3. Okay, we can do 8 by 3 into 2 plus 7 by 2 into 3 into 3. Okay, 8 2 is 16 by 3 2 is 6. 7 3 is 21 by 2 3 is 6. Okay, so finally we got 16 by 6 plus 21 by 6. They both denominators are same. That means we converted them into like fractions. 6 is the common denominator. 16 plus 21 is equal to 37 by 6. 37 by 6 is an improper fraction. that should be converting into mixed fraction. That means 37 is divided with 6. 6 6 are 36 and 1 is the remainder. This is equal to, how to write this one? 6 and 1 by 6. So this can be written in the form of 6 and 1 by 6. This is the required answer. Okay. So this is the first Roman in the first exercise. Compute the following and express the result as a mixed fractions. After completion of these sums, we shall go for the second Roman. Okay, please pause the video and note down the sums. While noting down the sums, you have to pause the video. Then the screen should be clearly, you can identify, and the sums you can do it. Okay, now coming to the second Roman. The question is, arrange the following in ascending order. Arrange the following in ascending order. So in the ascending order, we have to arrange them. Ascending order means what to do is nothing but they have given 3 fractions. These 3 fractions, 5 by 8, 5 by 6, 1 by 2. These all are, if you observe, you can get these are proper fractions. So these proper fractions, we don't know whether they are in the order, ascending order or not. I think all of you know about this ascending order and descending order. Ascending order is nothing but smallest to biggest, and descending order means biggest to smallest. So in those, which fraction is bigger, which fraction is smaller, we don't know. That's why here we are going to find and solve. Which one is bigger and which one is smaller, we have to find out. How to find out? According to your previous classes, denominator should be equalized. Then we can get the, what is this? Like fractions. These are all unlike fractions. The unlike fractions will be converting into like fractions. Then which numerator is bigger, that is the bigger fraction. Which numerator is smaller, that is smaller fraction. Okay. So for all these 8, 6, 2, for all these, we have to take common denominator. So given fractions are 5 by 8, 5 by 6 and 1 by 2. What are the denominators are here? 8, 6, 2. For these 3 denominators, we have to find out the LCM. In the LCM, in 2 table, all the numbers will be divided. 2 4 ja 8, 2 3 ja 6, 2 1 ja. So 1 3 ja 3, 3 4 ja 12, 12 2 ja 24. LCM is equal to 24 we got. So 24 means all the denominators should be 24. Now what we will do is take these fractions 5 by 8, 5 by 6, 1 by 2. Each individual fractions we have to take. All the denominator should be 24. Denominator 24 means here 8 is multiplied with 3. We can get 24. So at the same time we have to multiply 5 also with 3. 5 3s are 15 by 8 3s are 24. And second one, 6 4s are 24, 5 4s are 20. Means 20 by 24. 2 12s are 24, 1 12s are 12. This is equal to 12 by 24. So the given fractions are these. Our fractions are these. So now you can write 15 by 24 instead of 5 by 8. Instead of 5 by 6 you can write 20 by 24. Instead of 1 by 2 you can write 12 by 24. If you observe which one is bigger and which one is smaller, all the denominators are equal. So now we can go for the smallest one. 12 by 24 is the smallest. 12 by 24 is less than 15 by 24 is less than 20 by 24. This is called the ascending order. But 12 by 24 means what is the fraction we have taken? 1 by 2 is smaller than 15 by 24. 15 by 24 means this is first one, 5 by 8 is smaller than, next one is 5 by 6. So this is the ascending order of the given fractions. Understand? Ascending order of the given fractions. This is the first sum. Okay. Next we have another sum is there, that also we shall find out. Then the second round will be completed. Please note down, pause the video and note down the sum clearly in the classwork. In the second round, second sum, 2 by 5, 1 by 3 and 3 by 10. They have given 3 fractions. These are also, if you observe, these are proper fractions. So in the proper fractions, we have to find out which one is smaller and which one is bigger. So 2 by 5, for this solution, we can take 2 by 5, 1 by 3 and 3 by 10. If you observe the denominators, those all are different. So 5 comma, now take the denominators 5, 3 and 10. Find the LCM for these three. So here in the finding the LCM, if two numbers are divided with the same number, we can use it. 5 and 10 are divided by 5. So we can use 5. 5 1 ja 5. 3 will not be divided. 5 2 ja 10. So 2 3 ja 6, 6 1 ja 6, 6 5 ja 30. So we can write LCM is equal to 30. That means all the denominators should have 30 as the denominator. Okay. So first fraction 2 by 5. 2 by 5 means 5 should be multiplied with 6 to get 30 and 2 also should be multiplied with 6. 2 6 are 12 by 30. And second one they have given 1 by 3. 1 by 3 means 3 is going to be multiplied with 10. 1 is also multiplied with 10. 10 by 30. Okay. And the third one. What is the third one? 3 by 10 they have given. 3 by 10 means 10 is should be multiplied with 3 and 3 is also multiplied with 3. 3 3s are 9 by 30. So if you observe all the denominators are same. Now take those. 12 by 30, comma, 10 by 30, comma, 9 by 30. Okay. These are the three fractions. Instead of our fractions, we have written these three. So now you can compare easily because denominators are same. You can find the lesser numerator is the smallest fraction. Means 9 by 30 is less than 10 by 30 is less than 12 by 30. 9 by 30 means which one we got? 9 by 30 means 3 by 10. Means 3 by 10 is less than 10 by 30 means 1 by 3 is less than the last one is 2 by 5. So this is the ascending order of the given fractions. Okay. This is the second Roman, second sum. Okay. Please note down this one. Pause the video and note down the sum. Okay now? Make it fast. See children, coming to the next sum, third Roman sum. What they have given, check in the following square whether in this square the sum of the numerators in each row and in each column and along the diagonals is the same. This is the box they have given. This is a square. It is in the form of a square. Here what we have to find out is, listen carefully, here this is called row and this is called column. This is called diagonal. This is called diagonal. We have to check whether all the denominators are equal. So numerators, sum of the numerators is equal or not. Okay. This you have to do your own. Just say I am giving the sum. Please note the sum. After that what you have to do is, I am explaining the first row. So first row. Okay. In the solution you can write first row. What is the first row? 6 by 3, 13 by 6 by 13, 13 by 13, 2 by 13. Okay. 6 by 13, 13 by 13, 2 by 13. So all the denominators are equal. You can take common denominator as 13 because these are like fractions. So 6 plus 13 plus 2. This is equal to 21 by 13 is the solution for the first row. Okay. Like that you have to write second row. Here also 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 11 21 by 13. You will get the same thing. Third row also you have to do like that. Okay. Next first column, this one plus this one plus this one. Second column, this one plus this one plus this one. Third column, this one plus this one plus this one. After that first diagonal in this way. Okay. Second diagonal in this way. So totally 3 rows, 3 columns, after that 2 diagonals. And 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 8 2. 8 times you have to do the additions of the like fractions. Understand? You have to do your own and tell me whether it is correct or not. Okay? Please note down the question. And example, first row I have given you. After that first row you have to put the subheading. Second row, third row. After that first column, second column, third column. First diagonal, second diagonal. Okay? Please note down.